Hey there, it is E Squared Photography, just Emily here today, and I'm going to take you behind the scenes to one of our sports photography sessions that we've been doing, our Moody Sports pictures. If you've wanted to see some behind the scenes, today is the day. We're going to show you a little snippet of a session that we did recently. And make sure to stick around all the way until the end because I have something special just for you. And our hope is by the end of this video that you can take what you've learned and apply some of the things that we are doing in this behind the scenes video to a future session for yourself. And don't forget, for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos. Okay, so we thought it was a good idea to show you a little behind the scenes footage from a session we did recently. So we're gonna hop on in and show you all about it. Okay, spray. And then look away. Cool. Yeah. Okay, now she has one more.
Why can't I remember? No, I like look away and then okay, your hips, your legs, there you go. And then your okay. Okay, spray. Serious. Look away. Perfect. Well, do this. Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
cute.
My sister tried to do it with her friend, and we've tried to do it
together and do it again.
Well, we'll watch you do it. I can you go on my What if we do one like that? Which this way? Do a group.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, I like that.
Where are you gonna look? Just wherever you look.
Behind the back one, like,
Yeah, or,
look back one.
oh, yeah, this is cute too. I want someone to do that.
Lexi, that's all you.
I
can't. I'm not that cool. Or I want to try the one that you jump and like.
Oh, I forgot about that one. Yeah. Okay, remember those because I'm not gonna. I think we have. I think I know what you're talking about.
Okay. All right. Spray. I'll tell you when to go. And go. I think it might. Yeah, it's cute.
Cute. Okay. Let's do a group one. Yeah, that one. So they're gonna kind of like every other.
Okay.
And then they've got a couple other ideas. The jumping one where you like jump and like split. She's gonna try through the leg.
Yeah. Okay. And then with me, Riley, or Olivia. Am I low probably?
And just get as close as you can together. Yeah. Cute.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Cute.
Do you want my hands like on my legs or behind on her back? Put them on her shoulders.
Yeah, I think yeah, I think so. That's cute, you guys. Oh, do you want me to do smoke?
Yeah. Hold on.
These are gonna be so cute. Okay, so there was a little video clip of our behind the scenes for you from a recent session. Hopefully that gave you some inspiration, some ideas, sparked some questions. And we just want to remind you that in the description below, we have a link to our full equipment list for you to grab. So everything we use, and we're talking about why we use it, what we use it for, and then we're giving you the link as well. So if you want access to that, make sure to look in the description below. And don't forget, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for future videos just like this one. We will see you next time.